Hi everyone! After my last video, I decided to make a series about bread. What if I told you that one of the most exciting breads in the world isn't a loaf at all? It doesn't come from a baker's oven, and it melts in your mouth like an edible cloud. Welcome to Breaking Bread Around the World. Today we're in Japan, and we're exploring a modern marvel that redefines what daily bread can be. This is the Japanese Soufflé Pancake. It starts by mixing egg whites into a fluffy cloud with the help of cream of tartar and sugar. Next, we mix an egg yolk and mix it until it's no longer thick, and we incorporate some milk into it. Next, sieve some low-protein flour into the egg yolk mixture. Continue whisking of the flour and the egg mixture until it all incorporates. If the mixture is too thick, you can add a little water or more milk. Mix some of the whipped egg whites into the egg yolk batter. And after that, incorporate all the egg yolk mixture and folding it very gently to incorporate with the egg whites mixture. Finally, it's time to grill our batter and turn them into the fluffy Japanese soufflé pancake. Pour some batter into the pan and let it cook gently. When it's time to flip, try to flip gently because the batter is still a little moist. Serve your Japanese soufflé pancake however you like. In this case, I put some butter and some honey. So, is it bread? Absolutely. It's proof that breaking bread around the world isn't just about history. It's about innovation, artistry, and the simple universal joy of turning flour into magical delicacies we call bread. see you in my next video.